everyone, and I am so happy you're back for another shopping haul with me. Today is all about Burlington Style, and I found some really good goodies. Like, I wasn't expecting. I just thought I'm just gonna pop in there and see what they have. It's been a long time since I've been to Burlington, and I have to say the store was pretty bare, but what I did find was this. Gorgeous, right? I literally saw these at Home Goods for like $25, and this one is only $16.99, and it's white, and I love it. I love it so much. I was like, cart, yes, thank you, yes please. So got this gem. I have an idea right where I'm gonna put it too. Let me scooch things over. And then, as we did the paneling in here, which you guys probably saw if you follow me on Instagram, if not, be sure to follow me on Instagram because I do weekly tutorials there. We did all the paneling in the living room, and I have this one area where Steve accidentally knocked over one of my family photos and it broke. We tried to fix it, we weren't able to fix it, and I thought if we could just like fix it up a little bit, I'll spray paint it black and maybe put them together, but it didn't work. But luckily Burlington had this really cool piece. Sorry, I'm gonna do the reveal. Ta-da! And it fits perfectly in that spot, and it looks so good with what I have going on in this room. So I got really excited, and $29.99. Like, what a good deal, right, for a canvas. And I kind of like that it's a canvas and not a frame, because a lot of times I'm not happy with the gold or how it turns out. So got this gem. I'm gonna call it a gem. I'm gonna have so much artwork, I'm gonna need an artwork closet. Okay, and then another really cool thing I bought, and I bought two of them. Look at these shelves. In gold, two. I don't even know where I'm gonna put them. I don't even know where I'm gonna put them. But when I do, I will show you. And look how wide they are. I think maybe in the kitchen. I don't know. Like, I just love them, and they're only $14.99. So I grabbed both of them. So this was like a super cool find and a super cool steal, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. More shelves that I need to buy decor for. I literally went in there because I won't put the fall over. I went in there because I just needed a few more pieces, because I just keep adding shelves around the house and more things to put things on, and I'm like, it's getting a little sparse. So I found the box, which we love, right? We love the box, yes. And it comes in black, and I said Home Goods also has them. There are more at Home Goods though. The only other actual decor thing to put things on are, which I was kind of iffy at first, but now I think I really love them. These, look at that, with the crystals in it. And what I like about it is it's not, I don't know, I just like it. I liked it a lot. Like, I need another candle holder. I do not need another candle holder. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this room alone. But this is different, so we can rotate it out. We like to rotate our pieces, and yeah, so I got two of these, and $12.99. So I think in total, my shopping haul trip cost me, I think it was $112 with tax. And I think that is really worth it, and I couldn't be happier. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. It's short but sweet, and I'll show you a couple places where I'm gonna place these items. So stay tuned for the next haul. I don't know where it's gonna be, Home Goods, Ross maybe, I don't know. We'll be out and about. And thank you for stopping by. Okay, here is where I place the decorative box. I think it goes really pretty here with my family photos. Placed on my entryway table. Super cute for $16.99. All right, so I brought this piece home, and it goes perfectly right in its spot. It actually fits so perfect. I'm so happy. And it goes well with my dining room colors. So score for Burlington.